Alright YouTube, I guess it's time to cold start this. My Jacobsen snow burst electronic ignition. So on and so forth. Pull the lid off here. It's got a I'm gonna guess it's a Tecumseh engine. I've always liked the 2-cycle Tecumsehs though, especially these old ones. And your carb is right here. There's no air filter on it. It didn't come with a air filter on it. Brand new. So this has been in the family ever since it's brand new. I'm the second owner of it. First owner was my grandpa. So I just barely filled the tank up. There's a spider egg on me. Just barely filled the tank up. Not all the way, just a little bit in. The reason why I'm cold starting it is we're actually supposed to be expecting snow here pretty soon. Crazy enough. It's got the original AC spark plug, which I clean off from time to time. It's never really dirty though, so I guess I'll put the cover back on it and cold start here. Usually the first start of the season is usually a smoky one, so don't be surprised if you see a lot of smoke. So there it is, and we'll cold start it. First time in I can't remember how many months. So might be nice if there's a key in it though. Pop, 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 pop. Well, she runs real good. 4th or 5th pull there. I wasn't counting. I think it was 4th or 5th. That's the original key that came with it. That's the same key I use for my MTD lawn tractor. Tecumseh. The reason why it smokes so much is it's got I don't know, 32 to 1 in it right now, and it's supposed to have, it says right here, it's supposed to have a 50 to 1 ratio. Like that, 50 to 1, 2-cycle oil, 50 to 1 ratio. I could even go a little bit lighter than that because that was with the old oil that didn't lubricate very much. But I'll probably go with a 50 to 1. I'll have to get another gas can to separate my gases, or a 50 to 1 on it. Put 50 to 1 in this. So yeah, it's always had very good compression. Always run very strong. Very good. So yeah, that's the first cold start of the season. I used this all winter, or last winter, the winter before that, and the winter before that where I used to live. That's where, when I first got it, the very first winter, is where I used to live. And that's why it looks like it does. There used to be a big sticker right here. When I got it, it looked brand new. Like it sat in my, actually in that back of that shed. It sat back there for a long time, and pulled it out and took it back where I used to live and used it there, and it didn't have a shed to put it in, so it kind of got cracked and lost some color, but it still runs tops, still runs great. Fuel shut off is right here. 2 full turns to open. I usually just open it up all the way. Uh-oh, I see a little bit of a leak there. It's first time I've seen that, so I guess I'll put a new head gasket on it. The exhaust comes out, goes into this pipe here, which is the exhaust pipe. Heats it very hot. It comes out that side and comes out this side. No, I take that back. It only comes out this side. But the cool thing is, though, is inside these, the structure of them, it goes all the way across this and back down. It heats this whole bar up. Yeah, it's really hot, and it'll actually melt the ice away, which is pretty cool. That's what the feature was anyways. It somewhat works. If you leave it there for a minute or two, you know, it'll definitely melt the snow away and all that fun stuff. But yeah, this one doesn't have an electric start. This is where the electric start button would have gone. You push your thumb into there and it starts up, so on and so forth. So cool. That's it, YouTube. Gotta love it. Had this thing for a long time. It's never needed a carb kit, actually. It has it's a 2-cycle carburetor. There's diaphragms and so on, believe it or not. But it's never needed a carb kit ever since it was brand new. It's got the original carb kit in it. And I've pulled it apart before, and it does have diaphragms. I've cleaned it out. It probably could use a cleaning now. So I guess I will see you later, YouTube. Bye.